Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Next day here after our activities last night. Shout out to Evolution of Speed. They were able to hook me up with this phonelic spacer right here, which is gonna help a lot. Got a nice little thin coat of that Permatex, so hopefully we get a better seal on this intake. And then I got a new coolant. This is the coolant hose that broke right there, so we're gonna replace this. I'm gonna put my intake manifold back on, give her a nice wash, and she'll be good to rip again. So maybe tonight we'll do a couple more pulls, maybe turn up the boost, we'll see. All right guys, so I put it all back together. We got the intake manifold on with the phonelic spacer. I got the coolant hose replaced, started it up. Still sounds like there's a huge ass vacuum leak. Sounds kind of nice though, I'm not gonna lie. However, I've never seen this before, ever. You can hear being stuck. So what we've noticed right here, look at this down cover is split open. Right there, all along. Oh, you can see it. Right there. So, what do you think? You ever seen that shit?
It's just caught too much boost.
Too much boost. And it's really not even that much. That was 30 pounds. So, bro, get y'all clapped ass flip out of here, boy. So, luckily I got a warranty on this. We'll get a new one, and she'll be good to go. I'm trying to hear that two-step though. Hit it. Alright guys, so short video today. As you saw, the damage done to the valve cover. Gotta wait for another valve cover to come in, but can't really do anything tonight. Plus it's cold out, so we're supposed to be mid-60s, I believe, on Saturday. So hopefully by then car will be ready. Go out and do some rips. I'm still trying to get some 60 to 130s in on that car. So we can see where we're at. But yeah, that was crazy how that just split open like that. That was an Elring valve cover. It was a brand new, obviously you guys saw I had the purple valve cover that was going on. That one didn't work out, so we ordered a brand new Elring valve cover from Advanced Auto. And even though it failed, I mean, I'm not gonna knock them. I've used Elring gaskets for the valve covers. They work great, so I figured, you know what, let me just try their valve cover. Obviously that didn't work out, but want to give a huge shout out to my connect over at Advanced Auto. I had him on the phone right away. I showed him what happened. Not only is he going to be replacing the valve cover for me, but he's going to be replacing it with a genuine BMW valve cover. So I'm super excited about that. Once again, thank you so much. That means a lot, bro. You guys are really stepping up to the plate, even with this build here. So thank you for that. We should have that by tomorrow. Maybe do a little video of me taking apart the valve cover. That way we can just take a peek inside of the built motor, see what she's looking like with the valve cover off. But that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Quite an interesting find, as you guys saw. We'll probably do another video once the car is ready to go, or tomorrow, like I said, maybe while we do the valve cover. I'll do a video on that, and then after that, hopefully by Saturday, the car will be good to go on a rip, going back to Mexico. So I'll see you guys on the next video.